Welcome to Plysolene. We welcome off-the-shelf orders of ABS, HIPS and PETG, from just one sheet up to 500 kilograms. If your requirements are over 500 kilograms, we can manufacture bespoke orders to your exact needs, with short lead times. As a manufacturer and off-the-shelf supplier, we offer you tailored cost solutions for your needs, resulting in flexibility and savings. At Plysolene, we manufacture our own ABS and HIPS, so you are guaranteed consistency in quality, color, and finish across our full range. We will provide you with a quotation within an hour. Your order will be carefully packaged to ensure safe delivery. For your convenience, sheets can be packeted in 10s or 20s with next-day delivery options. Plysolene, quality, flexible and fast. Contact us via phone or email.